Well, cooking is simple. Do you know that hummus was originated from ancient Egypt in the 31st century? Hummus is made with chickpeas and are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. And we want to share this delicious and simple recipe. You will need 1/2 cup of cooked chickpeas. Save some for decorations. 1/4 smooth cayenne, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 5 teaspoons of water to blend. Decorate paprika, red pepper, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 5 chickpeas. Put all the ingredients in the blender. Now blend. Pour in the bowl and decorate things. Pour in the bowl and decorate it on the. Pour in the bowl and decorate as you pleased. Enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Don't forget to support us on buymeacoffee.com. Link will be on the video. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.